Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking two of my favorite foods and layer them together for this delicious cheesy taco bake. You want to start by scrambling your meat, and today I'm using ground turkey, and I like to use the 85-15 ratio. Once it's all brown, add yourself 3/4 cups to 1 cup of water. You want to make sure you scrape all those bits from the bottom of the pan. Add a pack of taco seasoning, and to boost the flavors, add some garlic powder and onion powder. Just to taste, put a lid on it and let it simmer. In the meantime, go ahead and cook the pasta of your choice. Today I am using shells and elbow pasta. And I'm going to cook those 5 minutes past al dente. And then I'm going to drain it, and we're ready to make our mac and cheese. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put our mac and cheese together. We're simply going to place our butter and our cheeses in our pasta while they're still hot. And once everything is all melted, we're going to add our milk and our sour cream. And then we're going to season all that up to taste. Time to put our taco bake together. So today I'm making individual servings. And these little ramekins make the perfect portion size for each individual. To make it easy to handle, we're going to use a cookie sheet to place them into the oven. We want to start by buttering each ramekin. Once we get those all buttered up, we're going to start layering our flavors together. We're going to start with a layer of the mac and cheese, followed by some shredded cheese. Then we're going to layer some of our taco meat right on top of that. Then we're going to top it all off with another layer of mac and cheese, followed by, you got it, shredded cheese on top. Once we get those all completed, we're going to place them into a 400-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes just to melt that cheese. When I tell you you're in for a tasty treat, these two flavors mesh so well together. And you can also make these ahead of time, and then we'll make an easy weekday meal. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you make these, please leave me a comment down below and tell me how well you enjoyed it. And until next time, remember to keep life simple, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.